Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I'm doing here now is laying these tiles in the shower. I've pre-cut them. You see my aluminium water stop, I've siliconed that in so no water will come out. What you see, I'm the true blue and nothing's sped up, no video is sped up or doctored to look good. It's the real thing. I love these showers, absolutely love the strip drain shower. Okay, so I need to build that up a little. I love, I love the strip drain. I love the, I love clips. You know, it's all so cool.